Over the last few years, I've tried a lot of KDP tools, and in this video, I'm going to review the best of the best. Before we start, do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you. I considered three key criteria for each tool: usability, features, and pricing. Usability, because who wants to waste hours figuring out how to use a tool? Features, because we want tools that can do more than just the basics. And pricing, because let's face it, budget matters. I categorize the tools into three different categories: cover and interior, keyword research, and lastly, assistance. Alright, now for the moment you've all been waiting for: the top 8 KDP tools that stood out during my testing. The first category is cover and interior design tools. In this category, I was looking for apps that will be suitable for both beginners and pros and help create a professional cover with minimal effort and in short time. Our first tool, Canva.com, has a user-friendly interface and powerful features. It's perfect for creating covers and also interior, and the best part is it won't break the bank. The free version has thousands of free templates, photos, fonts, and more. You can create amazing visual content with no design experience. But if you want even more, you can go with the Pro version, which at the time of this video is 18.99 Canadian dollar per month, or 149.99 per year. With the Pro version, you will have unlimited access to premium content, more powerful design tools, and AI-powered magic. In terms of usability, Canva has an extremely simple interface, and all the icons and buttons are self-explanatory, and you 100% don't need any experience to get going with Canva. And if you happen to need a little help, there are tons of tutorials and posts about Canva out there. Adobe Photoshop comes in at number 2 and is a must-have for anyone who's looking to make a high-quality book cover or interior. What sets this apart is the amount of control you have over everything. In Photoshop, you're not limited to anything but your knowledge, which brings me to its flaws. Learning every button or shortcut in Photoshop can be challenging, and Photoshop is notoriously famous for having a steep learning curve. But Photoshop is around for 25 years, and they have a huge community. You can find countless resources on any question you have about Photoshop if you're willing to learn. However, even if you don't mind learning a new software, the price might be an issue. The monthly subscription for Photoshop only is 27.99 Canadian dollar per month, and if you're a student, you can get the whole Adobe package for 25.99 per month. After using Photoshop for more than a decade, in my opinion, if you use it to improve your product and increase your sales, hence your income, it worth every penny. Tangent Templates takes the third spot, and it's a game changer for creating simple, low-content books. Their templates include over 130 templates, and all of them include hints and tips on how to use them and the kind of books you can make with them. All of the templates can be edited in the designer tool, so you can add images, change the colors or fonts, and add your own elements and ideas to them. You can also mix pages or upload your own template in Tangent Builder to create any combination you can think of. Plus, it's budget friendly. You pay one-off price of $59, which gives you permanent access to the software, and you can create as many books as you like using it. By the way, I recently started a new channel called Learn Graphic with Anna, where I go over different graphic and creative contents in depth. If you're interested in learning different graphic softwares to improve your KDP design skills, make sure to check it out and subscribe. You can find the link down below. Next category is keyword research and optimization. Keyword research is crucial for improving the discoverability of your KDP books on Amazon. Here are some of the best keyword research and optimization tools for KDP. Our first tool in this category is Amazon Keyword Tool, which provides valuable keyword suggestions. Start by typing relevant keywords related to your book in Amazon search bar, and you will see auto suggestions. These are phrases that real users are searching for on Amazon. You can also install a free Chrome extension called Amazon Suggestion Expander extension to get more suggestions. The best thing is you don't have to pay anything for this, but it takes a lot of time to find and collect the right keywords. That's why I personally recommend using Publisher Rocket. Publisher Rocket has 4 tools and helps you find profitable keywords and niches, analyzes competition, and assists in optimizing your book's metadata. With their keywords feature, you will get a list of keywords shoppers type into Amazon, estimated number of times customers type that keyword into Amazon, how much money the books that rank for that keyword are making, and how many books are competing for a specific keyword. They also have a feature that will allow you to see your potential competitors, their book cover, list price, number of pages, as well as their daily and monthly earnings. They have a one-time pay for lifetime plan, which is $97, which also includes all future updates. I know the price may seem high at first, but hear me out. If my 1 hour of writing and working on the book is worth $20, then Publisher Rocket will pay for itself in less than a day by saving my time in searching and analyzing keywords. Our next category is assistant tools. In our last category, I gathered the list of the tools and websites I use to help me be more productive. The first tool in this category is Amazon's print cover calculator and templates, which will give you a cover template like this with all the information you need to create your cover. This way, you don't have to worry about size or anything. Everything has been explained here for you right on the cover. The second tool is the IamToolbox.com website. They have lots of great tools here like puzzle makers or mandala makers, but what I use it for almost every day is a PDF merge and duplicator. There are lots of other websites that do these kind of things, but I found this one's interface a lot more user-friendly than the others, since they don't ask you to enter your email to download or show you dozens of ads to finally get you where you want. All you have to do is search here what you want to do, and it will get you there in a second. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize the importance of finding the right tools for your unique needs and preferences, so don't forget to do your own research. Thanks for joining me in this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, bye-bye.